Is silver about to enter a new bull run? The charts are heating up, and the signals are pointing towards a major move for XAGUSD. Let's break down what's happening. The overall market sentiment for silver is overwhelmingly positive right now. After a period of consolidation, the price has decisively broken out, closing strong around the $38.40 mark. This isn't just a minor move, it's a significant technical event that has traders talking. Looking at the charts, we can see a clear breakout from a long-term ascending channel. This move was supported by a noticeable spike in volume, which often indicates strong buying pressure and institutional interest. Many analysts are interpreting this as the start of a new impulse wave upward. On an even larger time frame, some see a massive cup and handle pattern that has been forming for years, suggesting the potential for a historic run. So, what are the key levels to watch? For potential buyers, the old resistance area around $37 has now become a critical support level. A slight dip to retest this zone could be seen as an attractive entry point before a potential continuation higher. On the upside, the first major target is the psychological barrier at $40. A firm break and hold above this level could ignite further momentum. If that happens, the next major resistance targets are being set around $47, with many looking towards $50 and even $55 as the next significant milestones. Let's summarize the key takeaways. First, silver has confirmed a major bullish breakout from a key consolidation pattern, with strong volume suggesting conviction behind the move. Second, the $37 level is the new support floor to watch for potential entries, while $40 is the immediate resistance to overcome. And third, the medium-term targets are ambitious, clustering around the $47 to $55 range. In conclusion, while markets never move in a straight line and pullbacks are always a possibility, the technical picture for silver looks incredibly strong. The consensus suggests the path of least resistance is to the upside. The sleeping giant of the precious metals market appears to be waking up.